Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 Start menu showing categories disable it fast. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Copy text from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.